Today we are going to show you how to remove a granite backsplash without damaging your drywall behind or the granite slabs themselves. Before we get started, you'll need a heat gun, wooden shims, a hammer, a drill or screwdriver, and a utility knife. The key to salvaging your drywall in the granite is softening the adhesive, which is done with the use of a heat gun. Run a heat gun over the area you're going to be ready to begin removing. Let it warm up for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now grab some wooden shims and place them between your drywall and the granite. Begin hammering the shims a few inches apart from one another. You should start to see the granite pry away from the wall. Once your granite feels loose, use the back of a hammer or a crowbar to gently pry it further from the wall until it comes loose. In our next section, we have outlet covers, so we recommend removing those before you start on this section. These were extra long screws because of the thickness of the granite, so we switched to a drill. Run a utility knife along the edge where your backsplash meets your counter to remove the caulk. Now grab your heat gun and repeat the heating process on this next section. Once the granite is warm, begin hammering the shims behind the granite, keeping them a few inches apart from one another. Begin stacking the shims on top of one another to pry the granite away even further. We found it easier to use the paint scraper in addition to the utility knife to break up the caulk even further. Use the back of the hammer to pry the granite away from the wall, and once you start to feel it come loose, grab a partner to help you carefully carry it away. Then repeat the same process until all pieces are removed.